I used to be corded, but ever since they came out with the fast speeds, it's good for detailing.
Okay.
And JRL.
What do you gotta say?
It just seems like
aesthetic,
they're copying bevel. You know, it's just like.
It's not flashy enough for 360 cheesy.
It's a JRL, you know? Alright, you guys. So remember when I told you guys that I had to go fly out to Texas, Dallas, Texas, to basically do this show? Listen, I had to go back and refilm that whole thing all over again because basically they messed up. It was kind of a show similar to Complex where they fly celebrities out and they pick their favorite shoe.
What's up, everybody? It's Joe from Complex. We're in Atlanta at Versus with comedian and entertainer Drewski.
I basically had to do that same thing, but I was talking about my favorite clipper. The Barber Plug, they're basically doing a show based off of flying barbers in, okay, to pick out their favorite clipper. The first time I went out there, the guy really didn't know what he was doing. They messed up and got the audio all wrong. Was supposed to be a videographer that filmed Chris Brown, but I was sitting back like, bro, come on now. Like, I can do better than that. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just a YouTuber at the end of the day. This man literally was like, we don't need no mics. We can wing it. I'm looking at this dude like, bro, what are you talking about? The sound is the most important thing here. Once he said that, I said, bro, listen, Barber Plug, listen to me when I tell you, okay? We need to go to Best Buy. HustleDreamProduction. All right, you guys, so I went to the school and basically talked to, I forgot this, I'm gonna be honest, I forgot the name of the school, okay? But it was Texas Barbers something, okay? So I went out there, talked to the students, dapped it up with a lot of them. I basically had to use hand sanitizer after I was done, how many hands I was touching. YouTube, I'm at this school right now.
Texas Phase Barber College. JC, let me get my brother right here. JC.
This is the Barber Plug right here, hold on.
Yeah, you know, I am the Barber Plug. We're out here, got Jeezy out here in Dallas, Texas. You know how we do. Gotta do it for the kids. Malik's barbecuing in the back.
How's it going, man?
JC.
Welcome.
Tell them exactly where we at.
Texas Phase Barber College, man. Come check us out. Yes, sir.
We brought Jeezy all the way from Cali to Texas Phase.
Welcome.
Got a legend in the building.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Come right in.
Security, you know.
The way you holding it like a security guard.
I don't know how to hold
All right, you guys, I'm up over here at the college, Texas Fade Barber College, Texas Fade Barber Shop. It's 360 Jeezy. It'd be better if I put more auto-tune on it though. Just turn the auto-tune on when you edit this. Alright, so basically the owner of the shop was trying to make me drive his 1986 El Camino.
Try the other way, there you go.
Motor like a snotty nose.
I don't know why I feel scared though. I never drove an old school.
No, you want to go on the spin with me?
Yeah.
Got to,
Let me just go around the I'm gonna circle around this whole thing.
You going to
You get in there with it. Go.
I I had to build up basically the balls to actually do it. All right, because it was a little scary. I ain't never drove an old school before, so yeah. I wasn't scared the whole time. I was nervous. Get me out of here. Oh, man. It's got power to it. All right, you guys, so I had to talk to, Lee, can you keep it down? Keep it down. Listen, I had to talk to the students, all right? And I was a little nervous, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't really talk to a group of people like that. I'm more of a inside, online, to myself type of guy. So to speak in front of a class, I still get nervous at times, but when I get rolling, it's easy when I get started. But before the nerves start kicking in, so I had to build up to get my confidence up. Still, you would think by now I would have it all figured out. But listen, trial and error. Check out what I had to say to the students.
Yeah, y'all can give them a round of applause.
All right, I just want to start by saying that I'm just as nervous as you would be standing up here. I'm not a good public speaker like that, but I have been in you guys' shoes before. When I started school, it was like, you know what? The same thing that I did with my waves and how I was teaching people how to, you know, get waves. I'm gonna take that same idea and put it into barbering. Where you're at right now, start right now, because I would not be here today if I didn't start in school, developing my skills. Try new things. Don't be afraid. Just because your client's in the chair and it's like, you know, I want to give them the best cut possible. That's cool and everything, but you're in school right now. So that's the best time to try using your left hand.
Last question. If y'all don't have a last one, I have one, but you know, it's the students' question.
Do you ever lose motivation for it?
Yeah, like these days now, it's like, man, it's hard to keep pushing. But, you know, I just kind of encourage myself every day and just try to find that love of the reason why, you know, I do what I do. And that's just on the filming side of it. Cutting hair is something that I don't think this is going to die for me. I'm going to die cutting hair, you know what I mean? If my arms can cut, I'm going to be cutting hair. So, but it's just the filming part that kind of, it's like, do I really want to record today? You know, you kind of get lazy in that aspect, but I just, you know, try to fight through it and still find the reasons why, you know, I do what I do, and that's to teach and help others, so.
Hey, y'all, appreciate the great questions. If you ever needed any inspiration, look at this man right here. You can take it to the next level through social media. No matter where you're from, you can do it, y'all. Give him a round of applause.
And I'm from Vacaville. Not too many people know Vacaville. You might think I'm from LA. I ain't from LA. I'm from Vacaville.
My cousin Vacaville.
It's a small town. There ain't too much going on. So social media, you could if it don't matter where you're from, you can make it out. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. All right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Thank you. HustleDreamProduction.
All right, you guys. So after I talk to the students, it's time to go to the shop and pick out the clippers. Let's go.
Hey, you're good. Whoa.
Really?
Is he okay?
Nah, he probably doing it.
Are you suing now?
Yeah, I know, right? Because we don't do health insurance, none of that.
Where am I?
Oh, he fell
Where are
into
we?
it. We're at the barber plug.
Barber plug? Oh, it's the wrong place. The wrong place. Oh. Let me show you guys what happened behind the scenes. I'm getting too old for this. He's messing up. He's messing up. I don't know. He's a little nervous.
1, 2, 3. You're recording now? Action.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the premiere of Clipper Shopping at the Barber Plug.
Do that one more time. I'm shaking too much. I'm sorry.
I think he's a little better this time, but take 2. Listen, I might kill it on the first take, all right? I'm not saying that I will, but we gonna try.
You damn well gonna try.
All right, you guys, so I might be pulling up in a Rover right now, okay? It's not my car. Let's just point that out.
It's mine. I'm letting him borrow it. Just for this.
It's not mine, okay? But it's gonna look good. I'ma look good.
Isn't she lovely?
You know him by his waves, and he goes by the name of 360, 360, 360.
Wait. You got to pick it up when you do that.
Okay.
360 Jesus.
Okay, let's go. What's going on, bro?
We gonna do one more take because it's not that I messed up. You know what I'm saying? Because I hit everything on the
cut me
nose.
off sooner. I don't
You
wanna
know
get
what I mean?
360s.
Like the way I do it,
don't
one
wanna
take
sing
Jake.
that much.
That's all I need. You know what I mean? So it's his fault. It's his fault. It really is. It's not mine. It's his
You
fault.
hear me, Jeezy?
Huh?
Cut me off sooner. I don't want to sing that much.
Okay. See, he don't even want to sing.
You know him by his waves, and he goes by the name of 360.
Wait. You got to bring it up a little higher than that, okay? You 360 Jesus.
Let's go. What's going on?
Partner up because we gotta switch cameras.
Good job, Jesus. Showing out today, man. We didn't even get to go in the Rover.
We didn't even
get to do the Rover. We were supposed to come in the Rover. We didn't get to do it, but it's all right. We'll do it later.
I just want to photobomb this
Don't look
moment real
stupid?
quick. I just want to photobomb this moment real quick.
Shit, he photobombed
You know what I
us.
mean?
What's
These
up?
are the guys that's making it happen right here.
Making it happen with
What's
the
your
man straight from
Instagram?
Barkerville. Randy GT3.
Talk about it. It might be right here. Go ahead.
So go ahead and click on my Instagram. I'd appreciate the follow. I'm a freelance videographer from Miami, Florida. And shout out to 360 Jeezy for the opportunity. Yes,
Let's
sir.
go.
GT3.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Hey, Jesus said if we mess up, it's cool. So we here at the Barber Plug Supply Co. I'm so glad the man, the myth, the legend came to shop with me in Dallas, Texas. Oh my goodness. But he didn't drop a bag. I covered it for him.
What?
Yes, you
I
heard.
dropped a bag. Lies. Okay, listen. The Barber Plug covered it. Okay, I didn't drop not a nail, not a bag. Okay. I know all these influencers want to make it seem like they be just going places and dropping bags. I ain't one of them, okay? Stop the cap, Jeezy.
He dropped a bag.
I dropped the bag.
He has a lot of bags over there.
Come on now, you see the bags, the bags.
Come
No,
on,
for real. I appreciate it.
definitely told you, if you want to leave these here, we could.
I could take it.
We could.
I could take it.
We could leave. Yeah.
I could take it.
Just like.
I could take it.
Just something.
I could take it.
You sure?
I could take it.
They gonna let you put that on the plane?
I could take it.
I don't know if you can keep all.
I could take it.
They don't let you take all that on the plane.